The biggest problem I have seen in a lot of novice designers or beginner designers is how to use colors. So they don't know how to use colors in their designs. So they just pick up 2 random colors or 3 random colors and try to mix them and use them for different elements on their designs. So this is the biggest tip I'm going to give them. For starters or novices or beginners, don't try to use more than 2 colors in your design. So I'm going to show you a lot of techniques how to build your color scheme. Another big problem is that most of us designers, mostly the beginner or novice designers, they don't know that colors are not independent. For example, if you are using just blue color or a purple color, it doesn't mean that they are independent. They have to look great together. So you need to combine them. And this is not true for every color. Every color cannot be combined with any other color. So there are some rules. There are some colors that are going to go well together. Some colors are not going to get well together. For example, if you go to the beach, you see a specific theme in greens, cyans, and blues, and the sand is a bit yellow or grayish, something like that. So this is a whole theme. This is natural color scheming which God has created. Anyhow, so the rule is, which I have seen and used, is that 60% use 3 colors. If you have 1 color is going to be used for the background, 60%. Then 30% is the secondary color, which is going to be used in different areas of your website. And 10% is the accent color, or one other color which is going to be used sparingly or very less in your design. So this is the rule from basically the people who are interior designers. They use this rule for color scheming. So if you are painting your walls, they are going to be 60% the same color. This is going to be a lot in your room. Then 30% might be the sofas in your room and the bed in your room, and 10% is the yellow. For example, if you have yellow pillows on your beds, they are going to act as accent color or 10% color. So this is how they are going to build their color scheme. So if you look at this slide, you can see how many colors I have used. I have just used basically 2 colors. This is a purple black color, purple grayish or purple black color, and at the top you can see this is the blue color. White and black, they are not basically colors. They are not you can say they are not in the hues. They are just no color and all colors. So this is how this color scheme is built. Also, you can see at the bottom where you have seen Making Your Designs Ugly to Awesome by Muhammad Hassan Parvez. That is my name, and it is also a bit of you can say bluish gray color over here. So this is generated from this blue color. So this is how this color scheme has been generated. One more thing is that there is purpose of each color in your color schemes. So if you are using very sharp colors, that they can be used as your buttons. They can be used as the tappable items or getting attention of your user. Then you can use another color, for example, a dull blue color, like you can see over here, 30%. You can use that in some specific areas of your design, like top bar and top navigation bar maybe. And then we have grayish white color or something like that I'm going to use for the background. So this is how you can build your color scheme. I have shown this example over here. You can see. Okay, now the last tip, and that is most important tip. The most important tip is that start designing without colors. You are going to add the colors at the end. This is how I design. This is how a lot of designers design, and this is the correct way. So what you are going to do is you are going to use grays in your design, and in the end just one accent color, like you can see over here, this yellow color I have used. So this yellow will be used for all the buttons or all the active areas of your design or interactive areas of your design, and others are going to use to define different sections and different colors in your design. And all the other these grays, they are going to show different areas or sections of your design. For example, this gray I am going to use for logo, this gray I am going to use for text, or this gray is going to be heading, this gray is going to be body text, and this is going to act as my background color. So try to start your design with gray, just design in different shades of grays, and then afterwards in the next iteration add one color to it. So this is how you are going to add one color, then the second one, and they are going to look like a great design. So I'm going to show you a lot of examples in the next lesson. So let's move on and see some of the examples to get the idea of this color scheming.